In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to transfer an Instagram account from one phone to another phone. So if you purchased a new mobile device and now you want to transfer your Instagram account from your old phone to your new phone, here's the easiest way to do it. First of all, on your old phone, go ahead and open the Instagram app, and now just tap on this three line at the top right corner, and here scroll down and all the way to the bottom you will find this logout option. So just tap on logout and tap on logout. Once you successfully log out of your account, now if you want to remove your Instagram account from your old device for privacy reason, all you have to need, tap on this three dot at the top right corner and tap on remove profiles from this device. And now just tap on remove next to the account you want to remove, and tap on remove, and the account will be completely removed from the mobile. And now I'll show you how to log in to the same Instagram account from your new mobile. To do that, first of all, on your new device you have to install the Instagram app, and you will find Instagram app on both Play Store and App Store. Once you successfully installed the Instagram app on your mobile, you have to tap on login with another account, or just tap on login. And now all you have to need, in this box, write your Instagram account username or account email or mobile number, and in this box you have to write here your Instagram account password. And once you successfully signed into your Instagram account from your new mobile device, your account has been successfully transferred. Now just enjoy your Instagram app and account from your another mobile. So that's how we can actually transfer our Instagram account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.